In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capture website leads with Salesflare web forms. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable pipeline that takes form submissions from your website and turns them into contacts inside Salesflare automatically. No coding required. We'll start on your website. Create a clean, user-friendly form where visitors can share their details. A simple set of fields like name, email, company, and a short message works great. You can build this with tools such as Google Forms, Typeform, GrowForm, Zoho Forms, or WP Forms if your site runs on WordPress. Keep labels clear, make email required, and consider brief helper text so visitors know exactly what to enter. Fewer fields often means more completions, so start minimal and expand only if you truly need more data. Next, head to Zapier.com and sign in. Zapier is the automation tool that connects your form to Salesflare, so the moment someone submits, their details flow into your CRM. Click. Create a zap to begin. Think of a zap as a simple, when this happens, do that rule. Set your form as the trigger. Choose the app you use to build the form, then pick the trigger event called New Form Response. This tells Zapier to watch for new submissions. Connect your form account if prompted. Select the specific form you created and pull in a test submission so Zapier can see real field names and sample data. This makes mapping much easier in the next step. Now set Salesflare as the action. Choose Salesflare as the action app and create contact as the action event. Connect your Salesflare account, then map the fields from your form to the matching fields in Salesflare. Map name to name, email to email, company to company, and send the message to a notes or description field so you have context. If available, add a lead source like website form to keep your funnel reporting clean. Double-check capitalization and formatting and ensure email is correctly mapped. This often helps prevent duplicates. Once everything looks correct, save your zap and turn it on. Do a quick live test by submitting your website form with test data. Then confirm the new contact appears in Salesflare with the right details in the right place. If anything looks off, tweak your mappings and test again. From here on, every submission becomes a new contact, giving you a steady stream of qualified leads without manual entry. That's it. Simple, dependable lead capture from your website straight into Salesflare.